Hi, I am Mrs. P. Karthika from Department of Business Administration, the Standard Fireworks Rajatram College for Women, Sivagasi. These are the course development team. These are the course outcomes for industrial relation course. First of all, we see about the industrial relations. Industrial relations refers to some of the relationship between the employees and workers at the organization. Within it is to be handled according to the national, regional or company level. All interactions need to be among the social and economic issues including wage determination, working hours and working condition. Now we see about the factors of industrial relations. First factor is the institutional factors. Institutional factors means law related to minimum wages, working conditions, trade unions and collective bargainings. Significantly, it shaped the landscape of industrial relations. Next one is trade union and employer organization. The presence and influence of trade unions and employer organizations include their collective bargaining, impact the dynamics between employer and employees. Next one is industrial relation practice. Formal and informal practices create dispute resolution, grievance procedure, workers' participation in management and also play a crucial role in management functions. Next factor is economic factors. In that, first one is economic conditions. Economic conditions means factors related to economic growth, recession, inflation and the unemployment rates influence the bargaining power of workers and the overall stability of industrial relation. Second one is wages and remuneration. Fair and equitable wages given to the employees avoid recession in the organization. Benefits and other form of compensation are maintaining positive industrial relations among the management and employees. Third one is ownership and structure of business. The type of ownership, for example, private or public type of ownership and the organizational structure of a business can affect the power dynamics and the communication balance in the organizational workforce. The next factor is a social factor. In that, first one, social norms and values. Cultural and social attitudes towards work, authority and social status can influence the employers and the employees' interaction within the organization. Social groups and inequalities. The presence of different social groups within the workforce along with the issues of equality, discrimination can create tension and frustration and affect the industrial relations in the organization. Next one is social responsibility and ethics. The extent to which business are perceived as socially responsible and ethical can impact employee morale and then relationship with the organization. The next factor is the psychological factors. Psychological factors means employees' mindset, and that first one, employee attitudes and motivation. Factors like job dissatisfaction, motivation and perception of fairness significantly impact employee morale and their willingness to cooperate with management. Second one is management style leadership. The leadership styles of managers, their communication skills and their approach to employee relationship can foster their positive relationship and avoid conflict. Psychological contract. To implicit understanding between employer and employees regarding their rights and obligations can affect their relationship and level of trust. The next factor is here technological factors. In that, first one, technological changes. Automation, computerization and other technological advancement can impact job security, skill requirements and nature of job, potentially leading to disputes if not managed properly by the employer. Next one is the adaptability to change. The ability to both employers and employees to adapt technological changes and acquire new skills is crucial for maintaining positive industrial relationship. Next factor is a political factor. The prevailing political philosophy and government policies related to labor rights, social welfare and economic and social environment can influence the economic environment for industrial relations in the organization. Next one is a global factors. First one is a globalization. Increased international trade, foreign investment in Indian countries and competition can impact the domestic industries, leading to changes in employment patterns, wages and working conditions. The next one is a international labor standards. The adoption and implementation of international labor standards and convention can influence national labor laws and practice. Last one factor is the enterprise related factors, and that first one, organizational culture. The overall culture of the organization, including its norms, values and communication factors, can affect employee morale and their relationship with management. Communication and information sharing. Open and transparent communication between management and employees, as well as the channels of communication for sharing effective information, is essential for building trust and resolving potential conflicts. Fairness and equity. Ensuring fair treatment, equal opportunities and transparent decision making process are crucial for maintaining positive industrial relationship. Conclusion. These factors are not isolated but rather interact and influence each other, creating a complex web of relationship in the industrial setting. Understanding these factors is crucial for maintaining positive and protective industrial relations. Thank you for watching this video. For more modules, visit www.sfrcmlearning.org.